Here are my auditions of Jock and Sigred, I think. Let's start with Jock. So, my driver say it'll be different at the end? This is something he called me an undercoat. Jock? Not a bit. Sir. I like the color, and the name will suits me fine. Next up, it's Sigred. Ooh. Oh. My name is not Sigred, Jock. It's Sigred of Arlesdale. Now say it, the full name. That's better. Sigred of Arlesdale. Do you know how much I like in the movie star? Like I am the best? It was amazing! You should have saved me like I'm the famous Diesel. The whole Arlesdale Railway.